Do you ever feel like you're constantly vying for someone's attention? It can be quite frustrating when you sense that you're the one making all the effort without receiving much in return. According to relationship experts, contending for someone's attention usually backfires, causing them to want to distance themselves from you. However, by following the 6 steps outlined in this video, you not only capture their attention, but they'll also begin pursuing you. Watch this video with your full attention and follow the steps in the given order so you don't miss any crucial information. Before we begin, if you're new to this community, please take a moment to subscribe. Step 1. The initial step you must take is to refrain from actively pursuing the person you wish to attract. This entails putting an end to consistently being around them, halting constant texting, and avoiding bending over backward to accommodate their preferences just to be close to them. It's crucial to allow them some breathing room and let them come to you. While this may be challenging initially, it's essential if you aim to make them start pursuing you. Currently, they likely have an image of you as someone needy and desperate. The goal is to alter this perception, portraying yourself as strong, independent, and confident. Step 2. When we develop feelings for someone, it's common to entrust our happiness to them, believing they are responsible for making us feel good. The misconception arises that if they don't provide the desired attention, unhappiness will follow. However, the truth is that you are in control of your own happiness, and it's crucial to take charge of your emotions. This doesn't imply suppressing your feelings when the person you like seems to ignore you. Instead, it means finding ways to cultivate happiness independently of them. Once they observe that you can find joy without their constant involvement, they will be motivated to pursue you. Step 3. It's crucial to express your interest in the person you like, but it must be done in a manner that avoids coming across as needy or desperate. Show that you're available when they genuinely need support. Build trust by being honest with them. Ensure that your actions consistently align with your words. By adhering to these straightforward guidelines, you'll convey to the person you like that you're a dependable and trustworthy individual who isn't overly needy. Step 4. Building a lasting relationship requires patience. This entails giving the person the time they need to get to know you and develop genuine feelings. Trying to force someone to like you is counterproductive and likely to push them away. Recognize that people have varying paces when it comes to developing feelings for others. Some may take more time than others. Patience is a virtue in building meaningful connections. What's your opinion on this? Do you find it challenging, or do you generally excel at it? Share your experience with these steps in the comments. Step 5. Feeling ignored can be hurtful, but it's essential not to take it personally. Numerous reasons could contribute to someone ignoring you, and most likely, it has nothing to do with you. They might be going through a challenging period in their life and require some space, or they could be occupied with work or school. Whatever the reason, it's crucial to understand that it's not about you. Resist the temptation to take things personally and instead, give them the space they may need. The key is not to make them the sole focus of your world, but to maintain your own life. Kindly take a moment to subscribe if you haven't already, before we reach the final step. Step 6. The final and most crucial step is being willing to walk away. Although the thought of walking away may seem daunting, it holds immense importance if you aim to make someone desire you more. Demonstrating a willingness to walk away sends a powerful message. It conveys that you are not desperate and won't tolerate poor behavior. This action signifies that you are a person of high value who demands respect. By doing so, you communicate that they must treat you well to keep you in their life, a dynamic you genuinely desire. Adopting this mindset not only intensifies someone's desire for you, but also attracts higher quality individuals into your life. If you found this video helpful, share or like it, and be sure to check out the video on the screen right now.